50 people.
You know, Multnomah County remains in the high-risk category for at least 2 weeks.
Elise Haas is digging deeper into the data to show us that there is a silver lining to this. She also had a chance to speak with the Multnomah County Public Health Director. And Elise, what did you find out?
Well, she was telling me that she was really impressed how Multnomah County has been consistently bringing the COVID-19 numbers down. And even though Multnomah County didn't necessarily meet the metrics to move into the moderate risk category like our neighbors in the Tri-County area were able to do this time around, Multnomah County came pretty darn close. And she was telling me that is something to celebrate. So let's take a look at the numbers for where Multnomah County is sitting, because at this point, Multnomah County is at a 2% rate for positivity. And that is actually within the means and threshold to be in that lower risk category. However, there is another metric that Multnomah County has to meet in order to move, and that is the rate of spread. And right now, Multnomah County is sitting at around 108 cases of COVID-19 per 100,000 people. In order to drop down to the moderate risk category, Multnomah County has to get below 100 cases per 100,000. So with that, you can see how close Multnomah County really is. And when I sat down with Multnomah County's Public Health Director, Jessica Guernsey, she's feeling cautiously optimistic after seeing so many Oregonians following physical distancing and masking guidelines.
I don't have a crystal ball, but I have to say, if I look at our trend line, I would say that I remain hopeful that people will continue those behaviors.
Starting today, Multnomah County will remain in that high-risk category for the next couple of weeks. But the big question is, how soon could Multnomah County be reduced to that moderate risk level?
Do you think we can do that in 2 weeks?
Just based on our numbers, I feel pretty positive. It's hard to pinpoint the exact moment that we'll hit that data point to come down to moderate risk, but I remain hopeful that we'll continue that downward trend and move into moderate risk soon.
And Jessica went on to tell me that this whole thing is really a careful and delicate balance of managing and protecting the public's health while also trying to, at the same time, protect businesses. So they're going to be watching it closely. And so everyone should be really interested in how Multnomah County does in the next couple of weeks based on our behaviors. And of course, another 2-week cycle of limited reopening with some indoor dining and more people in gyms. Ken and Jenny.
All right, should be interesting. Thank you, Elise. Well, Governor Kate Brown has extended the